Okay, I do apologize for the really messy hair. I don't know. We're just gonna go with it today. Hey guys, what's up? It's Ash. Welcome back to another video on my channel. I should have made this video like after Christmas, but you know, my priorities aren't straight. So I'm making this like super late. So for Christmas I got this little guy. I got a Fuji camera. This is in the color rose quartz, and I thought I should do an unboxing with you guys because, you know, why not? I haven't opened this thing yet, and why not? Why not? Yeah, let's just do this unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so here we go. So this is what the box looked like. I also have film right here, but this is what the box looks like, the back. It's really cute, really pretty packaging. So let's actually open this up. Okay, so right off the bat, you get a lot of stuff. Of course, you get the camera. You also get a close-up lens, a strap. You get 2 batteries. And then, of course, the instructions. But what I found pretty cool, they give you a sticker. So you can put this on your car, your computer, stuff like that. I took it out the packaging. This is what it looks like. It's pretty heavy. So I'm going to put in the batteries and then we'll go over how to put the film in. On the back of your camera, there is going to be a little lever. So you push that down and it opens the camera. So what you want to do, this is, you gotta be very, 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 very careful actions on the film. So first you open, and then you gotta be very careful. It says do not press, because of course it's probably gonna ruin it, honestly. Your film is gonna be in a black cartridge, and what you want to do is line up the 2 yellow lines here, which you can close this. When you first put in the film, you're gonna get this little guy right here. I'm gonna waste film, but this is how you take a picture in here. So have your camera facing you, right? You push this button, and then the film comes out. This is going to be your lens, so I don't know if you guys can see, but this is basically going to be my view taking the picture. Now we can actually see the real picture, and this is what the wall one looks like. The other one that I did, of course, with the camera shows that, so that's how that one looks. So I'm just gonna give you guys another view of the camera, and that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it 2 little thumbs up, comment, tell me what I can do better, and if you haven't, subscribe to be a part of the awesome sauce FBK army, because we are all like one big happy family. I'll see you guys next time, so always remember to stay bright, stay awesome, and stay beautiful, FBKs.